Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot YouTube channel. And today we've got some info for you on the Traveler horizontal tail AD. You know, if you read the AD very carefully, it says if you discover that there's been a previous repair, then you have to do a certain amount of things. Well, we've noticed on 3 Travelers that have come through our shop that they all have the 7 rivets on the top either side and on the bottom, and those rivets secure the secondary spar stiffener. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Now here we are looking at the horizontal tail, and this is on a 73 Traveler, and the rivets are hidden very, very well in the paint, but we put blue painter's tape to help identify the 7. So we found 7 on the left side. We go around to the other side, and we find another 7. And though we did not put tape on the bottom, when you go underneath, there's another 7 rivets on that side, and there's another 7 rivets on the other. So those rivets are securing the secondary spar to the primary spar as a stiffener, and that's what those are. So they do not constitute a repair. So if you come across just those rivets, those are from the factory, and you don't have to do any of the additional repair work. You can just go look for delamination and the other problems talked about in the AD. So we wanted to call that to your attention. We had an airplane come into the shop. We looked at it. We compared it to the 2 Travelers that are on the field. Another one that we know about, we finally contacted the folks down at True Flight and verified that those are the secondary spar. And as you can see from these detailed pictures, they are blended very well in with the paint and everything, so they're kind of hard to see. So ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found all this information for the Traveler tail useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. So you've met Freckles, our cat supervisor, but here are the new cats destroying the Avery Island Tabasco pepper that sits by her back door. So I thought you'd enjoy watching them destroy something that doesn't belong to you.